Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making tethering the active connection method. Enable your phone's hotspot or plug it into your laptop with USB. Once done, check signal and data allowance so you don't hit unexpected caps. Make sure Wi-Fi on the laptop is turned on and the phone is discoverable. If using USB, allow the laptop to install drivers. If using Wi-Fi hotspot, note the SSID and password shown on the phone. These are the first actionable steps to get the link alive. Next, connect the laptop to the mobile source. Pick the phone SSID from the Wi-Fi list and enter the hotspot password, or choose the new USB network adapter if tethering by cable. Once connected, set the network profile to private so file sharing and updates behave normally. If apps fail, temporarily disable any VPN or firewall rules that could block new networks. Also check IP settings. Use DHCP by default. Manual static IP rarely need. Finally, secure and optimize the connection. Set a strong WPA2 password and limit attached devices to conserve bandwidth. Once connected, monitor data usage and enable battery saver or keep the phone charging via USB to prevent shutdown. If the laptop shows no internet, restart the phone and laptop, toggle the hotspot off and on, or switch from Wi-Fi hotspot to USB tethering. USB eliminates many Wi-Fi interference issues. As a quick troubleshooting
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.